Hi everybody, let's create this refracted text effect in Canva. Start with a blank canvas and change its background color. Now press T key to insert a text box. Add your text and choose its font. Now go to apps and select design to image and convert this page into a PNG with transparent background. You can also download it as PNG like we usually do with this share button. Add this image on a new page, adjust the size, and then create a duplicate of this image and place it below the first one in an aligned manner. Press L key to insert a line and change its color to other than font color so it's easier to see the line. Place few lines like this and select all the lines, go to position and select tidy up to ensure the lines have the same distance between them. Copy and drag these lines on the below image and place it like that it is between the lines of the above image. Now before we move on, don't forget to join the NextCanvas Canva community on Facebook so that we can all learn from each other and grow together as a community. Link is in the description box. Now back to tutorial. Select the image and crop it from the right side by dragging these handles to the left. Once cropped, copy this cropped image and align to the previous one. Drag its handle from the right and crop it from the left so we have this segment of the image only. Repeat the same procedure for all the sections in both images. Now delete the lines, select both images and reduce its size. Arrange them side by side so it's easier to work with. Now grab a section of the image from one set. Whichever section you chooses, select the rightmost section from the other set. Repeat the same procedure till the right side sections are placed. Now do the same thing on the left side. One section from each set one by one. Grab all these sections and make it big. Select all and go to position and select tidy up. Stretch the image from the handles a little bit, adjust the spacing and size as per your liking. Add few textures from element sections or add some gradient, and with this your reflected text is ready. Here's the final look. Do try this tutorial and share your recreations in our Facebook group. See you next time.